everybody, and welcome to another edition of A Girl and Her Glock. Today's episode, I should say, is about an article that I read on Yahoo News a few minutes ago, which is full of complete and utter anti-gun bullshit, in my opinion. And this article is about the National Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act of 2017, which recently passed the U.S. House of Representatives and is being sent to the U.S. Senate, where they will vote on whether or not it becomes law. But what this article is saying is that, in their opinion, the National Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act will put abused women who are trying to flee their abusers in danger by allowing the abusers to carry guns over state lines. And the first reason that I think that this article is complete and utter bullshit is because laws do not matter to criminals. Okay, murder and domestic violence are already illegal in every state, and these people are already violating that law. So why do people think that having a law against carrying a gun will prevent a murder? It won't. It never has. Like I said, criminals do not obey laws. If somebody's intent on murdering their wife or their girlfriend, it won't matter to them whether concealed carry is legal in the state where they're going. They're going to do it anyway, or they'll find another way to murder them, like stabbing or, running them over with a car, something like that. And B, what this article also fails to mention, and I think deliberately so, is that this National Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act could actually be used to benefit and to help abused women trying to flee their abusers. Because it would allow them to obtain a gun if they can legally do so, and if they can obtain a concealed carry permit, it will allow them to carry the gun over the state lines and use that to protect themselves and their children if the abuser does come after them. Because the best way for a woman to protect herself against a man who's intent on killing her is by shooting him. That's just common sense. You can talk about whistles and pepper spray and all of that, but ultimately what it comes down to is the best defense against an attacker is a firearm. And anyone who calls themselves a woman's rights advocate on one hand, but yet on the other hand wants to take away a woman's best protection from abuse, her firearm, is a complete and utter hypocrite. And as a woman, that makes me angry. It makes me angry that these so-called women's rights advocates want to take away my protection, my right to defend myself. And I'm sorry for the background noise. That's my air conditioner. It's still pretty warm here in Florida, even though it's near Christmas. But getting back to the subject at hand, like I said, I think it really does make me angry when people claim that they want to protect women, but yet take away our best form of protection. It just makes no sense to me. And I know that there's problems with this Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act, such as the attached NICS fix, which I think has a lot of problems, and I think should actually be voted on separately from the National Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act. But I definitely support the National Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act being passed, because I think it will help protect Americans, especially vulnerable women, because it will like I said, it will give them the best tool to protect themselves. And anyway, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and share, and please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Even if you disagree with me, that's fine. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching and have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.